Hi there. In today's video, we will showcase the top 5 best DeWalt power tools you can buy this year. Let's start. DeWalt DCD996P2 Hammer Drill Kit. At the first place, we have the DeWalt DCD996P2 Hammer Drill Kit. This 20-volt cordless hammer drill has a brushless motor that delivers up to 57% more runtime than a brush drill. It has a heavy-duty half-inch ratcheting nitrocarbized metal chuck with carbide inserts for superior bit gripping strength. With 3 built-in LED lights and a high-performance transmission with 3 different speed settings, it is designed for superior performance in drilling and fastening applications. The metal transmission offers faster application speed, and this hammer drill has a hammer drill function for masonry. With dimensions of approximately 11 by 4 by 7 inches and a weight of around 4.7 kilograms, this powerful hammer drill kit includes 1/2 inch hammer drill, 2 20-volt max XR lithium-ion batteries, DeWalt DCF 900P1 wrench kit. Complete the toughest jobs utilizing the power of the DeWalt DCF 900P1 wrench kit. Delivering 1030 ft-lbs of max fastening torque and 1400 ft-lbs of max breakaway torque. This is ideal for large-sized pipes, wheel lugs, concrete anchor bolts, and heavy-duty impact wrench applications. The precision wrench mode is included to prevent over-tightening and runoff for additional user control. This impact wrench can be used with many different types of impact sockets, making it a versatile option for all manner of applications. Whether you're an at-home mechanic or a professional looking for the best solution to all of your automotive needs. However, users have found the trigger to be quite sensitive, making it difficult to control the power output. DeWalt DCD771C2 Cordless Drill Kit. The DeWalt DCD771C2 20-volt max lithium-ion compact cordless drill/driver kit is lightweight and compact for working in tight spaces for long periods of time. High-speed transmission of this cordless drill with battery and charger delivers 2-speed variations, allowing users to choose the level of performance needed for various applications. The comfortable handle adds balance and control. The drill/driver has a 1/2 inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck, which provides tight bit gripping strength. Its compact, lightweight design fits into tight areas. The high-performance motor of the power drill delivers 300 unit watts out of power. The drill/driver also offers a convenient 1/2 inch chuck and an onboard bit tip holder for the storage of screws and bits. Lightweight, compact design allows you to carry out drilling tasks in confined spaces with ease. Increased motor output of DeWalt DCS 380B Reciprocating Saw. The fourth product on our list is the DeWalt DCS 380B 20-volt max Li-ion Reciprocating Saw. A powerful reciprocating saw that provides the ability to cut up to 3 inches of a variety of material, including wood and pipe. The keyless lever action allows for blade change in a fast and easy manner, and the 4-position blade clamp allows for flush cutting and increased versatility of application. Mimicking the portability and ease of use is the compact and lightweight design, which is only 1 inch long and 14.5 inches long, guaranteeing ease of use in tight spaces and limiting user fatigue at under 7 pounds. Please note that batteries, charger, and accessories are sold separately. DeWalt DCS 391B Circular Saw. At number 5, we have the DeWalt DCS 391B Circular Saw. This is a powerful and efficient cordless circular saw that operates on a 5,150 RPM motor. It has a high-strength and lightweight magnesium shoe for enhanced durability and accurate cuts. The optimized rubber overmolded grip allows for better balance and comfort, reducing user fatigue. With a bevel capacity of 0 to 50 degrees, this saw enables aggressive bevel cuts for various applications. The 6 to 1/2 inch carbide-tipped blade yields a cut capacity of 2 times material at 90 degrees and 45 degrees, increasing the number of cuts per charge. This DeWalt circular saw comes with great build quality and a good weight-to-power ratio. We hope you've enjoyed our video on the best DeWalt power tools. Thanks for watching.